Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I have a question that we are going to solve this equation. So first you need to remember the formulas. Formula a plus b all raised to the power 4, that will be equal to a to the power 4 4a cubed b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b cubed plus b to the power 4. Okay, and a minus b to the power 4, that will be equal to a to the power 4 minus 4a cubed b plus 6a square b square minus 4a b cubed and then plus b to the power 4. Okay, so we are going to use these two formulas. So that will be applied with x minus 1 to the power 4, that will be equal to x to the power 4 minus 4a cubed and then times with 1. So we don't need to multiply with 1. Okay, we just got 6x square and then minus 4x and then plus 1 to the power 4, but 1 to the power 4 which is still equal to 1, and then plus with x to the power 4 plus 4x cubed plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 16. Okay, so we can cancel this with this and this with this, and what we will get 2x to the power 4 plus 12x square plus 2 equal to 16. Okay, so then we got 2x to the power 4 plus 12x square equal to 16 minus 2, and then we factor 2, then we get factor x to the power 4 plus 6x square and then equal to 14. We divide both sides with 2, then we will get x to the power 4 plus 6x square equal to 7. Okay, and then we get x to the power 4 plus 6x square and then minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so keep going. So then we have to factorizing this part here, x to the power 4 and then plus 7x square minus x square minus 7 equal to 0. We got x square factor with x square plus 7 minus x square plus 7 equals 0. Then we got x square plus 7 factor with x square minus 1. So when we have two factor and terms with each other equal to 0, then we going to give each factor equal to 0. But x square plus 7 is always greater than 0. Okay, so then x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So then x square equal to 1. Then we will get x equal to plus or minus square root of 1. That will be x equal to plus or minus 1. So the answer, therefore, x equal to plus or minus 1 is the root of the equation. Okay, so now I have solved this equation. I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.